Hello and welcome to GoDAM. Today we'll see how you can use GoDAM videos inside LifterLMS to create your own courses. We start by adding a new course in LifterLMS, giving it a title and publishing it. Once that's done, we head over to the course builder where you will notice a few demo lessons already pre-populated. For the first lesson, we'll give it a title, save these changes, and open this particular lesson in WordPress block editor. Inside the block editor, I'll add our custom GoDAM video block, select one of the video, and save my changes. That's our first lesson ready with GoDAM video. Next, let's add another lesson to the same course. This time, instead of using the video block, we'll add a GoDAM video embed URL directly inside the editor. With that, now we have two lessons, one using the GoDAM block and another using the embed. Now, let's see how it works for the learners. We start the first lesson where the GoDAM video block has been added through the block editor. Notice that completing the lesson requires watching the video to the end. Once the video is finished, LifterLMS automatically advances to the next lesson where the embedded GoDAM videos begin playing right away. There's also a resume playback feature where if a learner exits midway, the next time they return, the lesson starts exactly where they left off, making learning seamless. And that's how easy it is to build structured video-based courses in LifterLMS with GoDAM. Thank you.